Nenzy AI just dropped, and there are the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, especially if you're even thinking about using it in your workflow. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and Nenzy is doing something a little different. Stick around, because point number 6 is the real game changer, and it's something no one's talking about yet. You can try Nenzy AI completely free. From the first link below, no credit card needed. But before you do, let's unpack exactly what this tool does and what makes it stand out. Nenzy AI is a CAS, new all-in-one content automation tool. Designed to help marketers, content creators, and business owners create everything. From blog posts to sales pages to ad copy, fast. But unlike other tools that just spin out text, Nenzy adds dynamic visual and video content options into the mix, which is perfect if you're building landing pages or running ad campaigns. One of the first things I noticed, Nenzy's UI is clean, minimal, and genuinely intuitive. There's almost zero learning curve. Within 5 minutes, I was generating full marketing campaigns. And it doesn't just throw random stuff at you, it actually gives structured options based on your niche, tone, and intent. The AI writer is surprisingly solid. It's built on a hybrid engine, not just GPT-4. That means it adapts better to business-focused writing, and it understands the difference between writing for a Facebook ad versus a product description. If you've used Jasper or Copy.ai, you'll notice the output from Nenzy feels a little more conversion-driven out of the gate. One standout feature is the Smart Page Builder. This lets you create entire mini sites, lead gen pages, or even full landing pages, automatically designed and filled with content from your prompts. It integrates with tools like MailChimp and Zapier out of the box, which means you can build, launch, and connect funnels in minutes without touching code. Now here's something important. Nenzy AI doesn't just help with creation. It has a built-in content optimizer that analyzes your output for readability, SEO structure, and even tone consistency. It's perfect if you're running a content team or doing client work and need to scale quality at speed. One thing to keep in mind, since Nenzy AI was just released, not all integrations are live yet. A few features like Shopify Sync and multi-language voiceovers are still rolling out. But the roadmap looks promising, and the dev team is actually responsive, which is rare in this space. So here's the bottom line. If you're in digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or running any kind of online business, Nenzy AI is worth testing. It combines writing, design, and automation into one dashboard, and the early results are impressive. And again, you can try it totally free from the first link below. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the past year, and I keep a short list of the ones that are actually worth using. You'll find those in the description below. Try Nenzy AI first, but check out those others too while you're at it.